Welcome back to my shed. In today's video, this is going to be a quick Christmas video. I'm going to make this moose ornament. I found a template online. I will put a link down below. Off the top of my head, I can't remember where I got it from, but I shrunk it down. It was quite big from their template, but he just needs some eyes on, which I will put on with vinyl. So if you want to sit back, watch the video, I'll be back with you in a bit with the finished article. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. I have now completed it. I've added the 2 eyes, which were done with some layered vinyl, and 2 nostrils, and added the bow. I think the outcome of this looks good, and I'm really pleased with it. Like I said before, template will be in the description. I am also working on another version of this where the face and the antlers are different. If you want to see what that looks like, it will be on my Instagram, and you'll find a link in the description. And that I hope you enjoyed it. And if you could give me a thumbs up and a like, that'd be great. If you could subscribe to the channel, that would help me out a lot. And I'll see you on the next video.